Okay. What I did here is, this is actually from a screwdriver. I took my Dremel toolkit and I used a rotary cutter bit, which goes, in the Dremel. This isn't a Dremel, this is a drill. But I just cut this off. See, so now I have a really long drill bit. So when I need to, get into little places where the short one doesn't work, this one, then I just used this, and I didn't have to pay $18 or whatever. I just used an old screwdriver. So that is one of the very many uses of the Dremel rotary kit. And I think I got my little Dremel kit at Home Depot during Thanksgiving when it was on sale, so it really wasn't very much, but I literally use it for everything. It's perfect for a woman because it's not like a big, huge power tool, and it cuts through metal, and it cuts through those wire shelving, and just makes life so much easier. So that's my little tidbit for making your own drill bits out of other tools.